Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Sudhakar. I'm creating this series to cover Angular related topics like component creation, modules, filters, pipes, form management, routing, observables, etc. Let's start our series by creating a sample application, Angular application. Okay, so before creating an Angular application, we should have a local setup so that we can create the Angular application. The local setup includes installing the Node.js and configuring the npm. Okay, so we can install the Node.js by using a nodejs.org where we can find the Node.js software. So we can install this. I already installed this Node.js. Let's see the version. Okay. Okay, so we can see the node version by typing node -v. Okay, right now I have the 16.2. I think this is sufficient enough to create the Angular application. Also, I'll check the npm version, which is in my local machine. Just make sure that you are getting the version number. Okay, and we can create the Angular application using an Angular CLI by running the command npm install -g @angular CLI. Okay, so this already I have done. So I'll show you the npm ng hyphen version, which will give you the total Angular CLI related information. So once you run this command npm install -g @angular CLI, so it includes the Angular total package globally. -g means it's a global. Okay, so it's already installed. Once it is installed, just make sure by running ng version that you are getting the Angular CLI version. It's 12.0.3 current version. Okay, so now we have the Angular CLI, we have the node and npm configured. Now let's create the Angular application using a command ng new followed with the project name. The project name can be anything, whichever you want. Let's start uh, creation using hello world. Ng new hello world. My project name is hello world. So it asks you a couple of questions, what type of CSS that you prefer, and you need the routing to be automatically install the component. Okay, so it has the Angular routing. So let's go with S option because this can be used in our upcoming tutorials. Let's go with S. And it is asking the format that you would like to use. Either it can be a CSS, SCSS, SASS, and LESS. Let's go with CSS. Okay, so it is installing the packages from the Node Package Manager and creating the Angular application. Let's wait for a couple of minutes. Okay, so it has installed all the packages and created the Angular application. Let's have a look into the folder. Okay, yeah, it has created hello world. Okay, now change the path to hello world. Now we can open or run our application in the browser using command ng-serve. If you just use ng-serve, it just start the server. I'll also use -open so that it launches the application in the browser. Okay, so it is asking for the analytics. Let's go with no for now. Okay, yeah, it created a sample application and it launched in the browser. Okay, let's open our code in VS Code editor. So I prefer VS Code for a better tooling. Okay, so here the application has a source folder where we have the app folder. This is the first component, app component.html. Okay, and we have the index.html where we have the app route. This has been configured in the app module and the app component.html. So we can, let's start by editing the Hello World application. Let's remove the entire content and let's save the changes. Okay, yeah, it changed. Hello World app. Okay, so our application is up and running. Okay, okay. In the next tutorial, we will check the component interaction, like passing the inputs and having the output modules. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for the upcoming videos to get the notification. Thank you.